Presbyocusis is the common cause for hearing loss in the elderly people. It is sensory neural hearing loss associated with physiological aging process. Aging affects the cochlea and cochlear nerve. Usually manifests after 65 years, affecting nearly 1/3. Predisposing factors are history of noise exposure, diabetes, atherosclerosis, ototoxicity, hereditary, etc. There are 4 types: neural, sensory, metabolic or striate, mechanical or cochlear. In neural, there is degeneration of spiral ganglion cell starting from basal coil progressing to apex, even the auditory pathway. It's characterized by poor speech discrimination, so hearing aids are not much useful. In sensory, there is degeneration of organ of acuity, loss of inner and outer hair cells in the basal turn progressing to apex. There is secondary neural degeneration. Speech discrimination is good, so hearing aids are useful here. In strial or metabolic, there is degenerative changes in stria vascularis of middle and apical turns of cochlea. Physical and chemical process of energy productions are affected here. Flat audiogram is seen in audiometry. It runs in the family. Good speech discrimination. So these patients are benefited by hearing aids. Coming to the cochlear or conductive or mechanical, there is stiffening of basilar membrane, degeneration of spiral ligament, and we get sloping type of audiogram. Coming to the clinical features, deafness is the main complaint, usually bilateral, symmetrical, gradually progressive, more marked in noisy surrounding, poor speech discrimination, vertigo in 30% of the cases, there may be tinnitus, intolerance to loud sound, this is due to recruitment. Pureton audiometry shows initially high frequency loss, later involving the low frequency also. Coming to the differential diagnosis, cochlear otosclerosis, Meniere's disease and acoustic trauma. Coming to the treatment, preventive measures like avoid noise, smoking, alcohol, high fat diet, psychological support to these patients. Some of them are benefited by hearing aids. No specific medicines for presbyocusis. Vitamin B1, B6, B12 supplementation are tried.